Are you looking for the best respirator for woodworking? Here we will break down the top 5 respirator for woodworking on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. 3M Half Facepiece Respirator. Another amazing respirator from 3M I wish to recommend is the 3M TM Half Facepiece Respirator. Some say that it is the most comfortable woodworking dust mask they ever got the chance to access in the market. This is probably true because I experienced firsthand how this product offers the utmost comfort and convenience when worn. I truly appreciate the suitability of this respirator in environments and surroundings with non-oil and oil-based particles. Provided it fits you properly, it is possible for this respirator to deliver incredible performance when it comes to protecting you from various applications like torch cutting, brazing, soldering, metal pouring, and welding. It can even give you protection each time you get exposed to harmful cadmium, lead, asbestos, and arsenic. Comfort is also one thing that this 3M respirator prioritizes. You will instantly notice how amazingly comfortable it is once you get in touch with its lightweight and soft construction. It is even equipped with head straps that you can conveniently and quickly adjust to promote a more customized and proper fit. It also utilizes cartridges that have swept-back designs, thereby promoting improved visibility and balance. Another prominent benefit I discovered is that it has a built-in bayonet filter fixing system, which makes it possible for you to use various 3M filters. Furthermore, I am glad of the flexibility of this dust mask, allowing it to suit numerous situations and offering filtering protection from a wide range of harmful particulates. At number 2. Trend Stealth Air Half Mask. Another good choice for the face protection tool that we want to mention is the Trend Stealth Air Half Mask. In my opinion, due to the wide range of applications, it becomes many workers' favorite. It is noticeable that we are offered with several sizing options. It is easier for users to pick their best fitted pieces when there are some sizes for them to choose from. I am happy that I can find the right one. The amazing thing about this model is its great protecting ability. People can feel secure while performing the tasks in a working environment that contains liquid hazards or solid particles. Substances such as dust, concrete or plaster cannot come through the shield to enter our mouth or nose. I am pleased to note that the design of this product makes it incredibly lightweight. If you are not a fan of thick and hard face guard, this is your ideal item. Thanks to the feature, we can comfortably wear the mask to carry on working for a long time. In this shield, there are filters that can be changeable. Those parts help the product to function well in hazardous conditions and keep users safe. If you find any problems with the filter after a while, it is possible to take it out and put a new one into the mask. By that, you have a more long-lasting protector than you expect. Some customers need to wear goggles to help them see clear while working. It is important for them to find a good face guard that does not hinder their goggles' vision. If that is the case for you, this product is a great option. Thanks to the valve system, there will be no sign of fogging that will affect your duties. At number 3. 3M Rugged Quick Latch Half Face Respirator. A good 3M respirator that you can use as a way to protect yourself from breathing in unwanted and harmful dust is the 3M Rugged Quick Latch Half Face Reusable Respirator. One thing that makes me so happy about this reusable dust mask or respirator is its quick latch mechanism. I find this mechanism helpful because it promotes utmost convenience each time I need to drop it down from my face. It is because the quick latch prevents the need to take off the head straps to do so. I am also very satisfied with its low profile and half-face design because it widens your field of view. In addition, this design makes the respirator more compatible with a lot of grinding, welding, and woodworking shields. I am happy with its ability to offer respiratory protection from dirty and harsh surroundings. With this, I am sure that you will be completely protected from airborne contaminants, especially if you use it with highly approved filters and cartridges from 3M. It is a lightweight respirator constructed out of the lightest silicone material. Despite being light though, it still showcases its ruggedness, allowing it to withstand even extreme situations and prolonged work hours. It also boasts of its resilient silicone face seal, which provides extended life. It can even retain its natural shape even when constantly used in high heat environments. Another thing that makes me so pleased about this dust mask is the inclusion of the brand's proprietary cool flow valve, since it helps reduce heat and moisture to promote ease and convenience when breathing. At number 4. 3M 8511 HB1 CPS Valve Respirator. Another entry in this list of the best dust mask for woodworking is the 3M 8511 HB1 CPS Valve Respirator. I am impressed by this respirator mainly because its design and quality are well thought out. I immediately noticed how it prioritizes the safety of most, if not all, of its potential users. One thing I admire the most about this valve respirator from the ever-reliable 3M brand is the advanced filter media, which ensures that users will be able to breathe easily and conveniently. I also find it effective and safe to use for all dust that might cause harm to you, in case you breathe them in. These include specks of dust that come from grinding, insulating, sawing, and sanding particles. 3M also makes use of its unique and patented cool flow valve technology, which is beneficial as it promotes ease of exhalation. Furthermore, this technology works in significantly reducing heat, resulting in dry and cool comfort. Another thing that makes this respirator a hit is that it offers a minimum of 95% filtration efficiency when dealing with liquid and solid aerosols without oil. I am also in favor of the built-in nose clip, as it plays a major role in improving comfort while lessening pressure points. It works as an N95 mask, which gained the approval of the bodies and organizations governing PPE. At number 5. 3M Full Facepiece Reusable Respirator. The 3M Full Facepiece Reusable Respirator is the best respirator for woodworking if you are new to woodworking. The respirator is a lightweight model that's well balanced. It is full-face respirator that's designed with a silicone face seal to maximize comfort and durability. More importantly, the 3M respirator has a cool flow air valve that provides the best dry comfort anytime you use this model. It has a unique center adapter that helps to direct the exhaled breath and moisture towards the downward side. On the visible pane is a large lens that provides you with a wide field of view. This type of design guarantees excellent visibility. There is an integrated optical correction that helps in limiting any form of distortion, irrespective of where you look. The mask's smooth surface also allows for a quick and easy cleaning touch. Thanks to the 3M particulate filters, you can easily get the best respiratory protection from any forms of particulates, including dust, fumes, and mold.